It might be weird to you to hear this, or it might be not, but I have to tell you. Picanha is the best cut of beef. Don't believe me? Check this out.
I don't mind their snake eyes following my every move. I don't.
Today is one of those days that we go back in time and cook my favorite cut of beef the way it was cooked decades or even centuries ago. Today we're cooking picanha in the most simple and most primitive way, on wood fire. If you know this channel, you already know that we are crazy about picanha, and for a good reason. Picanha is not well known in the US, but everyone that tries it never forget it. And no matter if you are trying to impress somebody or just treating your family, picanha will always be delicious. I must confess, I never cooked picanha in the Gaucho grill, but I know that is the original way it was cooked for a long time, before skewers came into the scene. And as every first cook, there is a little bit of challenge and hesitance in the approach. But after a few cups of this good wine, all that will go away and we are ready to start. We all know picanha has a big chunk of fat right on the top, and that is what brings the flavors into the steaks. But that fat is also responsible for something else, to keep that meat juicy and tender. If you ever tried the sirloin tip they sell in the store, that is picanha. But with a big difference, the whole fat cap of the picanha was removed, and that makes it not that good, right? And also, those juices will produce a very different and nice effect you'll see soon. If we are careful and don't poke it in any possible way, you'll see the meat bulk up and gain in volume. And that is nothing else than the effect of the juices heating up and boiling inside the fibers of the meat. That's why it's so important to allow the meat to rest when we are done cooking. With all that explanation done, it is time to season this beautiful picanha up. For that, I will only use salt. Any sea salt will do, but never table salt. And that is because it's very thin and you can easily overuse. Now it will go to the grill, fat cap down. And right away we start with the process of adding embers to the cook. Remember, big pieces of meat like this are supposed to be cooked slowly and gently. So we will use the 12-second method and keep adding fire as we need. If you need to learn more about the 12-second method and other ways of cooking in the Gaucho grill, check this video out for a better explanation. Now, that picanha will be cooking there at low heat on the fat cap for about 45 minutes. So, what else can we do in the meantime? For that, I have these beautiful portobello mushrooms ready to be prepared. In this case, I will use chorizo cut into little cubes. This chorizo is delicious. Combine with Mexican blend cheese to make the refill. Set it all in a bowl, add salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil, and fill your mushrooms with it. Now set them on the grill and cook them at 8 seconds for a more direct and intense fire. And as soon as the cheese is melted all the way, you are ready to pull them out and serve. This is a delicious treat to accompany your meat or as an appetizer, whatever you want. At this point, you do you, boo-boo. We keep all the juiciness of the mushrooms in there. The flavor is amazing. The cheese goes really good with the mushrooms, and that chorizo taste, oh my God. It's like biting into a piece of steak that is crunchy outside, juicy inside, and delicious. My goodness. After 45 minutes, it is time to flip the picanha. What is a good indication for you to know when to flip? Here it is. As soon as you see the juices of the meat breaking through the top part of the cut in little volcanoes of juices, it is time to flip. At this point, the fat is caramelized and melt on the grill, leaving only a well-cooked and delicious layer on top of the meat. Also, the entire meat is already 80% cooked. All we are looking to do is to sear the top just for presentation and flavor, and let it all cook at the same temperature for 15 more minutes. 15 minutes later, the picanha is done and we are ready to pull it. Now is when you have to gather all your energy and strength and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. At this point, there is a lot of juices boiling and moving around inside the meat, and we want them all to cool off and fall back into their place. All right, Miss Ninja, we have that beautiful cut of beef. You know what it is?
Picanha.
Miss Ninja knows.
It is picanha.
Miss Ninja, I cut a little piece here. There is no experiment here. It's for you to try it.
Look
Just
at
try
those
it.
Juices.
Look at the crust
It's
outside the picanha.
dripping.
It's dripping all over the place. It's beautiful. It's amazing. And it's time for us
Let's do
to
it.
give it a try.
Oh my gosh. Just a little touch.
Man, it's so
Super
good.
tender. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow. Wow, guys, I don't know what to tell you, but this is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Man, look at the juices of that thing. The flavor of the picanha is amazing. It's super tender. It's amazingly juicy. It is, the outside is crispy and crunchy and beautiful. The inside, as you can see, is red and amazing. I don't even know what else to tell you, man. That grill is a picanha master for sure. Miss Ninja, we have to try the fungus here.
Fungus.
Let's try the fungus.
Mushroom guys. Mushrooms. Love
My
mushrooms.
goodness. This is ridiculous.
That earthy flavor, the umami of mushrooms is like the best.
And a little bit of wine goes great with it. So, Miss Ninja, what do you think about it?
Love it.
This is something that you can do at home, really easy to do, nothing complicated about it, and just take your time. Give it time, don't rush it, enjoy the cook, don't rush it at all, and you're gonna be cooking an amazing picanha, the best picanha ever in your life.
You don't need to be a pitmaster.
You don't need to be a pit master. Well, guys, after all these things, I have to ask you a question.
What
Did I make you hungry?
did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family,
so.
and don't forget to let me your comments down there. Even if you have to say hello, whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's just to, fit the algorithm. How do you say algorithm? Algorithm. Whatever, man. Just leave something down there. Give me a like. Leave a comment. All that good stuff. That's all for today. But remember that I love ya.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
Cheers.
Bye. Cheers. Bye.